Hey, it's Z Retro, and basically I did the HM guide, and I didn't know where cut or HM07 Waterfall was, and I figured out where Waterfall was, and cut's just a little different. You'll see what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to get Waterfall first, because it's way easier. So you're just gonna use fly with your flying Pokemon, and then go to Johto and fly over to Mahogany Town. Pretty simple. It's just like in the original games. I don't know why I never looked. I guess I just forgot. Shoot, I've never battled him. Oh, be smart. I gotta battle her. I guess you're going to have to see me do some battle. You look strong, good trainers, make tough opponents. I'm so overloaded, so I'm not gonna take that one. Butterfree, my influence, Thundershock, one hit. You didn't even have a chance, Butterfree. You want to speed up and get that down. So far, I think that's I mean, like awesome, because I've already done this, because I just found this when I was playing. I found the location when I was playing randomly, because I remembered that this was the original spot for Waterfall, and I was like, you know what, maybe it is in this game too, and I just didn't look, and it is. So after you go to Mahogany Town, you go over to the ice path right here. There will be a pink Swinub right there. You can talk to him, but like he's just gonna be like, it has a name tag or something, you go on somebody, so you leave it where it is. So after you get to ice path, you're gonna have to, oh yeah, I forgot to throw on a repel. My bad. Let me throw on a repel real quick. Sorry for the audio, because it's just visual boy making the audio team weird. So you're gonna go over, up, over, down, over, up, over, down, yeah, whatever. You saw how I did it. Basically, yeah, you do that. Then you come over here, I think, and then here's the Pokeball right here. Wait, I messed up on the puzzle. Go this way, and it was that simple. HM07, put in your pocket, and that's Waterfall. So now for all those places, like there are some places that I want to explore that need Waterfall, and I don't really know how to get it. I got it now. Let me see. Be smart. Otherwise, how many these get on here? Like that. And now for cut. Like I said in the beginning of this, cut is not really cut. I mean, you can call it cut. Yeah, you'll see what I'm talking about. So to get, well, yeah, cut. We're just gonna call it cut. You'll see what I'm talking about. You just want to go over to Cherry Grove. Go this way. Go over here. Keep going past to Route 32. Ooh, audio is so garbage. I'm sorry. Then you're gonna go past this one. Go up to this cave right here. Then you're gonna want to surf. Go up these stairs. Go this way, up here, up over here. Wait, my bad. Oh yeah, you want to use another. Go up here. Go into the water. I keep speeding up. I'm sorry. Go this way, and you'll see this pickaxe. And this is no, you do not use the pickaxe to cut down trees. That's what I thought when I first saw it. Well, when I first saw the pickaxe, I was like, what is this random pickaxe doing in here? I was so confused. I was just exploring randomly. I didn't even know there was anything over here. I'm sorry if you can hear that train in the background outside. Yeah. It'll be gone a little bit. So he's gonna leave the cave. Like that. And then that other cave. Let me speed up. Hold up. Where am I at right now? There you go. Oh, I came out of the cave that I need to go into. Go into the first cave that you saw before. Then we're gonna surf. Go right over here. Go here. Go this way. Go over here. And then use the pickaxe right there. And then it opens that. You have an entrance cleared. I'm sorry I keep speaking up. And then Shock Slayer will come and greet you. He'll be like, no way, I thought I heard something banging over here, but I wasn't expecting you to show up. I just got here a few minutes ago, and the entrance caved me in. I thought I was going to be trapped, so thanks. It looks like you found my pickaxe too. Here, follow me. So, yeah. I've been moving lots of tools and equipment to this cave so we can have practice. So yeah, he'll go through all that when you speed up past that. And then you go here. And then he'll say he's making you something. And well, I sped up past that part, my bad. It'll say he has, how long? You have to wait 24 hours. But if you just change your clock on your computer, I was about to do it, but no, I don't really feel like it. Actually, yeah, I'll do it so you can see that I'm not just wasting your time. Just in time. Change. April 6th to April 7th. Change. And then drop zone. Ah, Jay, your gift is ready. He's putting on the final touches. Move out the way. Yeah, skip past that. Alright, here it is. And then you get a sword. Use this sword. And anytime you need to cut anything, you just walk up to it and it'll say, do you want to use the sword to cut? And yeah, that's how you get HM07, and I guess you can call it cut. Yeah, that's how you get the rest of the HMs. Bye.